Hello my dear friends, today we are going to learn how to find the CG of the composite body. In previous video we have discussed and learned how to calculate the CG of cone, sphere, cylinder, hemisphere, cube and cuboid. If you have not seen our previous video, please go through it as that video is very important for solving the today's problem. The link is given in the description box. Please go through it. So here the problem is find the center of gravity of a composite solid with respect to x and y axis. See the figure. So here the composite figure is given. It is a composite of a cylinder and sphere. So let us try to solve this example. For solving, you have to redraw this given figure on your answer sheet and observe the figure. First of all, we have to place this figure in the first quadrant. So place this composite figure in the first quadrant. That means we have to draw OX and OY. Now divide this composite body into two parts. One is solid cylinder and second one is sphere. So for the solid cylinder we will consider body number 1 and for sphere it is body number 2. If body consists of 3 parts, then divide this body into 3 parts, 1, 2, 3. Now let us divide into 2 parts. So first is our first figure is cylinder and second figure is sphere. Now first of all we will calculate. Now for CG we will calculate volume for the both cylinder and sphere. So let us try to calculate V1 and V2. So volume of cylinder, that means pi r square h, and volume of sphere is V2 equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. For these formulas, you go through our previous video so that the formulas will be easily understood. Now put the values of r and h. So the diameter is 400, so radius is 200 for the cylinder. So 200 square into height is 500, so put 500 and we will get 200 square into 500 into pi. So we'll get, it is 62.83 into 10 raised to 6 mm cube. Now calculate volume of the sphere. V2 equal to 4 upon 3 into pi. Now radius of sphere, here diameter is 300, so its radius is 150 and its cube. So by calculating 150 cube into pi into 4 divided by 3 will get V2 equal to 14.14 into 10 raised to 6 meter cube. For the cylinder, R is 400 by 2, that is 200, and for the sphere R is 300 by 2, that is 150 mm. So we required V1 and V2 for next calculations. Now here observe the figure. If it is symmetrical to any axis, then we can calculate the distance from the axis. So here this figure is symmetrical to vertical axis. vertical. So we'll get the horizontal distance from the y-axis, and that is this 400 divided by 2, as the given composite body is symmetrical to the vertical line of symmetry, so the CG lies on it. CG lies on it. Therefore, x bar is what? X bar is 400 by 2, that is 200 mm. So let us try to find out y1, y2 and then y bar. So for y1, that is center of gravity of this cylinder from x-axis. So this distance, this total is 500. So 500 by 2, that is 250 mm. So CG of this cylinder is at 250 mm from x-axis. Now calculate the vertical distance of CG of the sphere. Now this 500 is fixed. Now this CG of the sphere is at radius. So this 500 plus r. So y2 is equal to 500 plus the radius of the sphere is 150. Radius is 150. So y2 is 650 mm. So vertical distance of CG of sphere is at 650 mm from x-axis. Now calculate y bar. So by formula, that is y bar equal to v1 y1 plus v2 y2 upon v1 plus v2. So v1 is 62.83 into 10 raised to 6 into y1 is 250. Y1 is 250 plus v2 is 14.14 into 10 raised to 6 into y2 is 650 upon v1 plus v2, that is 62.83 into 10 raised to 6 plus 14.14 into 10 raised to 6. By calculating, we'll get y bar equal to 323.47 mm. So this is y bar. So x bar is 200. X bar is 200 and y bar is 323.47. So the CG at 200, 322.47. So redraw the figure at the end and draw and the position the CG in that figure. So you will get the full marks of this problem with respect to x and y axis. So this is the answer. You can also solve this problem by using tabular form, but this method is very simple. For practice, we have selected two numericals. So try to solve it. In the next video, we'll try to solve the first example of the exercise which is given for the practice. I hope today's topic will be understood by all. If you have any query, doubt, please put in the comment box. I will reply to your queries. Keep watching our videos for learning at home. Stay at home, safe home. like and share our videos. Also subscribe and put this video in your playlist. Click bell icon for notification about next video launching. Thank you very much.